If I say I have a solution for all of your hair problems, whether it is slow hair growth, hair loss, or hair thinning, and the solution is simple, it is an onion juice. It is cost effective and it is easy to make. It is a natural alternative for all the commercial hair products. In today's video, I will be telling you how to make the onion juice the right way to get the maximum benefits of it. What are the scientific benefits of it? How to use it over your hair, as it will not only minimize your hair loss but it will also promote the new hair growth. So before we go towards the technique, please like this video as it will give me a little motivation. Step 1 is to select the onions correctly. You should be having red onions as it has good amount of sulfur in it. Depending on the size of each onion, you can take 2 to 3 if they are medium to large in size. Here I have taken 4 onions as they are small, and I personally prefer small onions as they are more juicier. Peel them and cut them into small pieces. Don't worry about the tears, they are truly worth it. Put them into a grinder and grind them well. My grinder works pretty good, so I didn't need to add any water. But if you want, you can add some of it. This consistency should be formed. Strain the onion juice into a container. You can keep this for 4 days, but if you make it fresh every time, that's more preferred. Apply this onion juice on the scalp and your roots and massage it for good 5 minutes. Here I am using it on the tips of the hair too, as it increases the shine of the hair. Let it stay on your hair for good 30 to 40 minutes and then wash it off with the sulfate-free shampoo. Now it is even scientifically proven that onion is good for your hair care, and I will give you 3 reasons for it. Number 1 reason is that our hair is made of a protein called keratin. Sulfur is essential for the production of keratin for your hair growth. And you know what has a high amount of sulfur in it? It's onion. So onion promotes the hair growth and promotes the hair from the follicle. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties, which helps in fighting against the infections which causes the hair to loss. Also, it helps in dandruff and itchy scalp. There is a hormone called dihydrotestosterone. This hormone causes the hair loss, especially the male petal baldness. Onion juice causes this hormone to inhibit, hence it causes the hair loss to be minimized. So now you know that onion juice acts as a double-edged sword. It not only stops the hair loss, but it also promotes the new hair growth. If you're with me till this part of the video, I respect your time and your trust in me. And for that reason, I will be giving you one bonus ingredient, and that's fenugreek seed serum. That will make your hair amazingly healthy and shiny. And if you want to learn how to make the fenugreek seed serum, go check out this video.